Hey, welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be about gardening. So I'm at my local Dollar Tree store. I got my dirt. These are all the stuff that I got from the dollar store, so I can do my gardening. This is my dirt. They have this special blend for indoors and outdoor use. Got me some gloves. These are so cute. These are for my labels. Well, when I put my seeds in, I know what I planted, and I got me a dry erase marker so I can mark it. Got this because I'm gonna start them off in my windowsill. And these are all my seeds that I purchased. So these are the eggplant seeds. They're just really small. The dirt has a lot of sticks in it. Oh my goodness. Let me show you. This is, you're trying to pick it up. It's a bunch of sticks. This is the habanero. These are the seeds. This is what beet seed look like a little piece of sticks. So I started my garden on Monday, and look, today's only Thursday. So beautiful. Oh, thank you, Jesus. It's just so beautiful.
Sweet joy, sweet bliss.